watching DenverTV with your host, the Denver of Sin City. Let me stop. Alright, so today I'm going to talk about those that have like red in their hair. You know, like really, poppy kind of colors. Reds, yellows, bright purples. How? Because, eventually it's going to like wash out. I actually already did my roots. It's black. I like to keep my roots black. And so, you see, I basically put a hair tie at where I'm going to do the red. Now, this is best done, like, in between colorings. So basically, it's starting to wash out. You can't get to the salon, or you can't do it yourself at the moment. Me personally, I do it myself. But let's just say in between that, that is what this is for. But before I get any further, I'm going to need you to click that red button that's right there. Excuse my nails, but subscribe and get notified. Alrighty, so basically, what I have is this. It's called pigments, and see, it's called Red Hot. Like I said, my hair is colored red. So I got this from Sally's. It's really inexpensive. It's basically, it's like a color depositing treatment. What it does, as it, time goes on, your color tends to like drain and wash out, not look as bright and vibrant as it did before. So that's fine. So what they have is this. It's called Color Solutions, and it's for color depositing treatment. It enhances the shine, and it also leaves, with a little moisturizer too. So basically, here you go again. Got it at Sally's. It's fairly inexpensive. It's like less than 10 bucks. Pretty simple. So what you're going to do is, see, you just kind of take it out. See, that's all I do. And then take it, and I'm going to put it into my dreads. That's all. Really, really simple. Yeah, red is a hard color to get rid of. So as you can see, once I touched it, I put it like into the sink. I'd rather red my sink than, accidentally red like my counter. And you see, this is all I'm doing. I'm just like rubbing it in. You don't need to like cook it on or cake it on or whatever. Just like little bits like that. Really, really simple. See? Bam. That side done. Now it's time to do the other side. Careful not to let any of it fall, because again, especially red is a very hard color. It really is. It's hard to wash out. It's hard to rinse. I mean, seriously, my sink still, or my tub, my shower has like light red still in it. Whatever. And see, that's all I did. Just go like that. Make sure I rubbed it in all the places. I'm going to just do one more little bit to make sure that it deposits and stays looking good. I like the red. I've been red for a while now. I just really like it. See the two in the back? I'm going to take those and And when you're done, stay away from everything. Just stand in one spot, and you're going to do that. Leave it in your hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. And you know, like, I already have a tutorial on how to deposit your roots. I'm actually going to attach that link to here. Shows you step by step how to do, you know, color your roots properly and things like that. Leave that in 45 minutes. But as I said, I'm doing deposits on this upload. I'll just leave that link on there so that you can check that one out as well. And see how I'm just, you know, see? There you go. The little shorter ones in the back. Just going to rub it. Voila, done. I'm going to stand here for like 15 minutes with nothing to do because, again, this is red. So, and I'll be right back. Let me take off my clothes. Okay, so now I'm about to wash it out. You see how it's like really settled in now. It's already looking brighter. See? And you're just going to wash it out how you would normally wash it out, basically, with your normal shampoo and conditioner regimens, basically. But I just want to show you how, like, the color, you know, it really settles in if you leave it in for the 10 to 15 minutes. Hey, what's up? I'm back. So here it is. Here's me kind of dry it off as much as I can. You see how good it looks now? The pop is back. And everyone knows that, you know, once the sun hits it, you know, when it dries, then that's actually going to be the color. See? So you just dry it and stuff, and yeah, I wasn't talking about my roots, but see, I like my roots black. But, like I said, once it dries and everything and gets in that sun, the color that it's going to be, that when it's dry and in the daytime, that's actually the color that it's going to stay. So, basically, excuse me, if you like this content, please like or subscribe. Thank you for watching DenverTV. I'll be back.